Morning girls and boys, welcome back to our second lesson on fractions. So yesterday we learnt about how we had a whole and then we divided it into half, we divided it into thirds, we divided it into quarters, and as we were dividing they were getting smaller and smaller. So now if we have got fractions, I have got a fraction that looks like that and one piece is coloured. I've got a fraction that looks like that and one piece is coloured. I have, let's do one of those as well. And then let's do some sixes. Okay, excuse me if my pieces aren't even, but your pieces would be. Right, so another way for fractions to be represented is if you get a diagram and one piece or two pieces have been coloured in and they ask you what fraction has been coloured in. So now, what you would do, you would see how many pieces you've divided it into. So we have divided that into halves. So if I look, I've got two halves, but one has been coloured in. So I write 1/2 has been coloured in. And I can also represent it as one piece of 2 has been coloured in. I come to my pieces here and I have got 1, 2, 3. We are dealing with thirds and 1/3 has been coloured in, and I represent it as one piece of 3 has been coloured in. I come to my 4s, and we all know 4s are quarters, and I say 1/4 has been coloured in. You will also know when we deal with quarters, boys and girls, is when we're doing time and we divide the clock into 4 pieces. We divide the clock into half, so we say 6:30 or 5:30, that's halfway around the clock. And when we divide it into 1/4 and 1/4. So fractions are everywhere. So here I will say 1/4 and I will say one piece of 4 has been coloured in. And here I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I say 1/6 has been coloured in. We just add the S to the 6. And I represent it as one piece of 6 has been coloured in. So we're going to start dealing more and more with the fractions, but if you have got the basics and you just look carefully and you know that a picture, the symbol represents one piece of 4 has been coloured in, or 2 pieces of 4, or even 3 pieces of 4. Just remember that line means pieces of the big number underneath it. Thanks boys and girls. There's a slide again after this. See how you go and yeah, enjoy. Bye.